How to animate drawings without any software skin. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, we would use Google Chrome. So click on Google Chrome. Now open new tab. Here we'll search for animation to drawing. Once we search for that, the first website will be animated drawings. Simply click on that. Now click on try it now. Accept it. Upload your drawing photo. For example, that one was. Now click on next. Scanning will start. Wait. Click again on next. Now wait again for some seconds. Again next. Click on next again. Here we go. This says L animation, so you guys can see dance, funny, jumping, walking. Select your favorite one. For example, I want to add some dance. So let's that dance. And now let's see how it's turned. Here we go. Our drawing was dancing like Michael Jackson. So there's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching. But saving that video, click on share and click on save to device, or you guys can share on WhatsApp, Facebook, or other social media platforms.